It's set.
It's like a power line trail.
It is.
You know how I feel about those. Oh Lord. Oh gosh, there's a big mound. Shit. Oh my god. Oh Lord. Lord, help us get up here. Oh. Okay.
We're in second gear the whole way.
Okay. Sorry. That looked intimidating.
Yeah, capabilities of the Jeep.
You have a lot more faith and capabilities of the Jeep than I do. That says no trespassing,
Yep.
so we can't go that way.
No.
And that one says something on the red. That's probably fine. And I don't think we can go straight, because that looks like
No.
it wasn't going anywhere.
She was howling.
She worked hard.
She did.
He.
Yeah.
He.
Yeah, that's John Hervey. So.
Huh?
Yeah, I think we just go right back.
Caution, electrical cable.
We just go back out to the road.
Well, then did you want to go down the hill?
But we could. We practice our hill this
I mean, if you're just going to go down, you might as well...
yeah, we're right back to the road.
Well, you might just go down it.
Okay.
I'm not so scared about the going down part.
You want to do it?
No.
Yeah, now we can use the hill descent.
Oh, you're going to do the really slow hill descent?
I can.
Oh, goodness.
That's what I said you could do it. You want to do it?
No, you can do it. You
Okay.
can do it. Well, you can do the creepy hill descent if you want to.
Okay.
Just be careful on the top here. It might smack your butt. It's kind of a little funky. Are you in the hill descent?
Not
thing?
yet.
Oh, you get right here and you look down and you go, oh my gosh.
You know what we'll do this. Pitch and roll.
I was a little bit nervous.
How fast do you want to go?
I don't know. Slow. I don't know about this. Oh, Lord.
We're not going to get stuck. We're just going to...
Smack it back in and scrape.
Nah. Just use gravity. We're at 12% right there.
Could have been worse, but...
$13, $14, $15, $16.
That's probably about the steepest one.
Yeah. And we came up at 17. Oh, there we go. 18. A little drop down.
And no problems.
Yep, yeah, no problem. 17. Yep, no problems. I should have used a different angle on the camera.
And that one?
No, on this one. To go up and down to get everything.
You need to do it again. You're just letting the truck do its own thing.
This is brake pads on, yeah.
Is that ABS or why is it like
Mhm.
screeching?
It's the brakes, yeah.
Gotta be able to do that all the time. Sounds like that would wear out quickly.
I don't know. Yeah, I should have done it like this. Because then we got a better angle.
Like to go up it?
Down it, because then it would have been straight down. But, oh well.
It's an interesting hill.
Kind of like that one over there.
Yeah, but that one doesn't look as bad.
All right.
It's more gradual. This is more
Mhm.
like, I don't know, straightish, I guess.
Mhm.